workout, you're going to need just your body weight, just yourselves. So HIIT training, let's get started. So from here, rotate forwards and back. Might need to adjust while you're standing in your room. Good work, team. So you're lunging and you're rotating over the front thigh. Good. From here, taking it to a high knee row. Joining on the squat. Just warming ourselves up. Inhaling and exhaling through out. Good to lateral skaters. Bending the knee, single leg squat, absorb the landing. The chest stays up, the abs are braced. Good, see from here, squat, bottom just above the knees, squat jab. Bottom just above the knees, abs braced. Good, see. Good, so we can add in as an option, tap to the ground. Inhaling and exhaling as that heart rate increases. Good, squat. Wrists underneath the shoulders, squat burpee, squat, burpee. Option, step it back. Good, out of the jump. Good, press ups. Elbows at chest side. In the push up. Look in front of the head. Good, see mountain climbers. Hips square and the shoulders to the way you're facing. Good. Shuffle, tap, shuffle, tap. Good team, all done. One more complete. Use track 2. Okay, so we've got the first one for 90 seconds. So you have 2 moves. The first move goes up in 2s. Second move goes down in 10s. Okay, so your first move is a jump lunge. After that, you've got lateral J taps. That's 10 of those. Okay? Everybody get ready. 2 lunges. 2 for 1. That's 1. That's 2. Here. 1, 2 to 10. Good team. Now 4 jump lunges. Good team. All done. Now we go for the lateral J tap in your own time. After 10, it's 8. Good team. 6 lunges. Jumping. Struggling, lessen that range of motion. Good, 6 lateral J taps. Option, step, tap as an option. 6. Sit team. Good work. 4 here. here. Good. 8 lateral J taps. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Forward leg. Good work. So the next part of this track, 45 seconds. You got 2 jump lunges, 4 lateral J taps, 6 lunges, 8 J taps, back to 10 jump lunges. 2 for 1 on the jump lunges. Right and left is 1. Stop on lunges. 45 seconds. Less reps. And 4 lateral J tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 6 lunge. You want to increase the intensity of the workout with that range. Go a bit deeper. 8 lateral J taps. 10 lunges. Modify if you need to.
3, 2, 1.
Well done, team. Great work. Okay, team, so we've got track 3 next. Okay, so we've got 150 reps in 2.5 minutes. Okay, so the first move, 10 reps, we've got alligator press ups. After that, you've got 20 on the frog jumps, or you can do donkey kicks. That alligator push up, 1 in front, 1 behind. 10 of those.
5, 4.
Everybody ready?
2.
Let's do this, team. Option, drop to the knees, brace those abs. Look in front of your head. After you've done that one, you then go to donkey kicks here, 20, or go to frog jumps. Hips square to the ground, wrists under the shoulders. Lunge to the knee, 20. Next one, air jacks. Here, air jacks. Push and pull the arms in and out. Good. You get tired, shake it out, and then come back to it. After that, if you prefer, you've got the option here. That's an option as a regression. Otherwise, keep it going. After that, lateral skates. 40. For those ones of you who are speeding through it, your next move is a speed jack, 50. Option to make it a bit easier, hands on the hips. We got this too. Chest up, hips square.
3, 2, 1.
Well done, team. Great work. Track 3 complete. So we've got track 4, tri-laps. Okay, so you've got 3 movements, 2.5 minute rounds. Okay, so the first movement we're going to be doing is a squat jump. After that, you've got a switch jump, then you've got a plank jump. 1, 1, 1, then we add 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3. We go as high as we can on this ladder in 2.5 minutes.
3.
I'll show you the advanced variation, the plank jump. So here, squat jump. After that, you've got switch, and here, option, progression, there. Then we go to 2, okay, so squat jump, 2 switches, 2 plank jacks, or progression, there. You decide, then we go to 3, squat jumps, go as high as you can see. Regression or progression, you decide. Now we go to 4. well, team. Keep it going. If you need to, breathe, then come back in. Show you diagonally so you can see a bit better. Keep working it. You need to have a breather, and then come back. Keep it working it, team. Well done. We got this. Nice and strong. Well done, team. So the second round, if you got to 8, you work your way from 8 down. Your aim is to get to 1. The quicker you get to the 1, more recovery you get. Whatever number you started off. So I got to 8, so I'm going from 8. Let's do it. Always modify these exercises. To jump out or go up to the toes to modify it, regress it. Good. Option step. Here, regress that exercise if you need to. Or keep it going with that high intensity. Then we've got the advanced progression or regression in that plan. Here, progression. So workout. Breathe, come back to it. Aiming to get to that 1. We got to see. Well done. Good work. Okay team, so we've got track 5. Okay, so on track 5 we've got add-on ladders. Okay, so you've got 3 moves. Your first move is a lateral shuffle tap. That's 1. That's 2. After that, you've then got high knee runs, 2 forward, right and left is 1. After that, you're then going to go into here, look kicks. tuck jumps, 1 for 1. Okay, or squat jumps if you prefer. Let's do it. So we go here, lateral shuffle tap. On the second round, we go in, the third move changes. High knee run, 5. So you've got the option of foot kick. 4 if you prefer. On the next round, you can do squat jumps. After that, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, high knee run. Hands above the head. This time we go for the 10 reps on the next move. 5 and 5, triple tap. High knee run. 15, either squat jumps or foot kicks, tuck jumps. 5, 5, 5, 20. Progression here, all done. Great work, team. Good team. So here we've got track 6, next one. So it's the same as track 3, but flip around. Okay, so start at 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10 in 2 minutes. Okay. So your first move, you've got speed jacks for 50. After that, you've got lateral skaters for 40.
5.
Everybody ready on those speed jacks?
2, 1.
Hips square to the way you're facing and the shoulders. We got this, team. Keep pushing it. Skaters. That's it, team. Keep working it. Once you've done that, you then go to air jacks, 30. Push and pull those arms out and in. Bend the knees on the landing. Good. After that, you 20 here, frog jumps, or donkey kicks. You've got the alligator press ups, 10. Option knees or toes.
3, 2, 1.
Great work, team. All done. Okay, team. So we've got track 7. So you've got the first move goes up in 2, second move goes down in 10 to 8. Okay, so the first move you've got lateral J taps, second move jump lunges. Everybody ready?
1,
2, go. 1, 2. After that, jump lunge. 10. Lateral J taps. Yeah. 4. Jump lunges. 8. Lateral J taps. 6. Modify it if you need to. Take the impact out if you want. Jump lunges. 6. 8. Lunges. 10 lunges. Modify if you need to. Once you've done it, have a rest.
1.
Good work. Good, this time you've got 45 seconds. You're going up, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. For 2, lateral J taps.
4,
2 reps.
2, 1.
Let's go. 4 lunges. 6 lateral J taps. 8 lunges. 100 taps. Last round. Once you're done, have a rest.
3, 2, 1.
Great work, team. Well done. Okay, team, so we've got track 8, next exercises. So you've got 20 seconds on each level. We've got 4 levels. Okay, so the first one is burpee, squat, burpee, jump. Okay, so that's your first move. Every time you hear the bell, we're going to add in intensity progressions to the original exercise.
4,
Squat, burpee, jump. First move.
1.
We've got this for 20 seconds, team. Wrists under the shoulders when you're down. Brace those abs nice and tight. We're going to be adding in a tuck jump on the next bell. Add in tuck jump. After this, sprint it up. Option, take out the tuck if you want. And then sprint it up. Here, down. Like so. Opposite leg comes forward. Good. Add in a clap underneath the sprint it up.
So, 2, 1.
Well done. Great work. Okay, team, so we've got a core challenge on the last one. So you've got 2 movements. Okay, so you're going to climb up the ladder as high as you can get with a drill in the middle of it. Okay?
4,
So here,
3,
cross,
2,
then,
1.
let's go. So 1, 1. Then we go 2, 2 for 1, 2. Hips square to the ground. Then we go 3. Option drop to the knees. drill here, planks for 15 seconds. Hips square to the ground, abs braced. Good team, back to the ladder. Drop to the knees if you need to, as an option. Try and strengthen that core. See when you want to give up, that's when we get started. Get cheeky last one in there, all there. Great work. Hope you enjoyed the HIIT session. Feel free to carry on liking, subscribing to the videos. Great work team. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.